Jai Jagannath. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Odisha Art and Literary Festival, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of the 10th edition of OALF. As we all know, OALF is a beyond the borders endeavor that creates an inclusive space for Odia, Indian, and international voices. We bring together thinkers, poets, writers, artists, painters, musicologists, translators, lyricists, singers, playwrights, stage directors, cinema artists, and social scientists for meaningful deliberations through panel discussions, interviews, readings, and performances. Rooted in the timeless spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, OLF believes in staying local whilst thinking global. Continuing with this spirit, I once again invite you all in this one of a kind gathering. And as we move along, I would like to invite our esteemed guests to the dais, starting with our eminent guest, Sri Satya Mahanti sir, Sri Pradosh Chandra Mahanti sir, Sri Shyama Prasad Chaudhary sir, and our very own festival director, Sri Manu Das sir. I would also like to invite our revered shining star of Odia poetry, Sri Shobhagya Misra sir, to the dais. I would expect a round of applause for Sri Shobhagya Misra sir. It's an honor for us that is beyond words to have his presence amongst us. Now I would like to invite Sri Manu Das sir to introduce our guests and move on with the inauguration. Thank you, sir.
I welcome you all to this 10th edition of Odisha Art and Literature Festival. Honorable dignitaries on the dais and erudite literature lovers of the dais. On this occasion, I heartily welcome you all, but we have a very heavy heartly. I have to tell something. I will just introduce the honorable guest on the dais, Dr. Satyanarayana Mahanti, who is well known as Satya Mahanti, is a senior bureaucrat, worked in Telangana government as well as union government. In union, he retired, demitted from his office as a union secretary education, and after gap of 40 years, he returned to poetry, and you will be glad to know his poetry has been published by now one of the most important publishers of the country, Speaking Tower Tiger, which will be released today. Mr. Pradosh Chandra Mahanti, who needs no introduction, though he retired as a Chief Commissioner Income Tax, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, but we know him. He is the cultural administrator of Odisha, who started the first literature festival in Bhubaneswar many years ago. I congratulate him, and we are grateful that he could able to make this in spite of our busy schedule. Shyama Prasad Chaudhary, those who are of my age, they know he is not only the former Chief Commissioner Income Tax, whom I know since in 1974, almost all 51 years. 51 years back also, he was one of the topmost short story writer in Odia when he was a student in intermediate. He has created a idiom of his own. He is respected as one of the finest short story writers in the not only in state, in the country also. We are grateful to him for being accepting our request to be on the dais. We are also very fortunate today that Saubhagya Kumar Mishra, I think he needs no introduction, the doyen of Oriya poetry for last 60 years, has accepted our invitation and present here. We want to felicitate him. That is one of the glorious things of this festival that we have tried to do. I do not want to, I am not in the habit of giving long lectures. I am rather very bad in giving lectures. But our program will go on. There will be some changes in the schedule which we have already distributed because concerned authors are available only in airports, different airports. So thank you for once again for being the part of 10th edition of Odisha Art and Literature. Thank you very much.
Now I would request our honorable guests to please light the lamp and announce the formal beginning of this grand gathering of minds and literature. Starts with the lighting of lamp, may spread the light and warmth amongst all of us and lighten our paths in our upcoming future. With that, I will now request our festival director to felicitate Dr. Saubhagya Mishra sir. We are really honored and proud beyond measures for this opportunity where we can felicitate someone like him. I would request Saubhagya sir to kindly spare a few words for us.
I consider myself very lucky that I have been able to join you in this festival. I am so happy that once again I am in the midst of some of my students, some of my close friends and others. I am a poet primarily, and I wish I had the time to talk about poetry today, but today is not the occasion, I think, to indulge in prose. I wouldn't talk about poetry. I thank all of you, one and all, for the kindness and the love and the affection and the respect you have shown me on this occasion. Long ago, several years ago, Mr. Mohanty and I were talking about it. Several years ago we met here. but not on this stage. And there was a poetry festival, poetry, and Mr. Mahanti's first book of poems was published on that day. He just told me that. Today his third book is going to be released, and I'm eagerly waiting for the release of that book. Thank you all once again. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Your presence itself is of immense value for all of us. Now, I would like to request our festival director, Sri Manu Das, to felicitate our other guests. Sri Satya Mahanti, Pradosh Chandra Mahanti, and Shyama Prasad Chaudhary. So, thank you. Moving ahead, now I would like to invite Sri Satya Mahanti sir to kindly speak a few words.
Festival Director Sri Manu Das, our revered teacher Dr. Saubhagya Misra, Mr. Shyama Chaudhary, Mr. Pradosh Mahanti, they are my colleagues and contemporary. It looks like all the young kids have gathered to felicitate their old teacher. First of all, this is the 10th edition. I have been associated from the first edition, second edition. And two things have happened. Number one, our Dorian Gray festival director, who doesn't look a single day older than 95, has been declared as the contemporary. He has declared himself as the contemporary of others. Anyway, we welcome you. So, the second thing is the disruption. For the first time, we could bring together very well established writers, Booker Prize awardee, etc. Between the second and the 10th edition of this particular program, I find numbers have swelled up. So not only the India's population is going up, our population in the attendance is also going up, which is a welcome change. And I carry an honorific called the advisor, but mostly I get advised. So what happened is that I was advised to talk on the writer's commitment. Do I stick to that topic? So the Dorian Gray says that I'll have to. And first of all, a writer stands at the cusp of responsibility and the imagination. His commitment towards the society, which expects in turn insight, compassion, and courage, is of seminal importance, and his commitment towards art, which demands honesty, craft, and aesthetic integrity, is also equally important. Do these elements really contradict each other, or they complement? If a writer is faithful to his art, he becomes witness to her time. Her devotion to society deepens her art with a moral purpose. In great writers, we spot when a writer honors both these dimensions, both these duties, literature becomes transformative. It consoles, it challenges, and it inspires. Albert Camus famously said the purpose of writing, the purpose of a writer is to keep the civilization from destroying itself. This happens not only by engaging with the society, but by writing with beauty, honesty, and unwavering artistic integrity. Through art, the writer seeks to express the deepest truth of human experience. Through social responsibility, she ensures that the truth matters in the real world. Finally, art without social conscience risks becoming decorative. Social commitment without artistry risks becoming propaganda. It is the tightrope a true writer walks most of the time. Commitment is equal to both integrity of art and social responsibility, which means integrity to art means resisting propaganda, refusing shortcuts, and insisting on the highest standard of language and forms. In a commitment to precision, it is a commitment to precision, authenticity, and imagination. Writing doesn't become lessons, but artistic exploration of human depth. Writers also become moral historians. They are not the chroniclers of events, but of emotions, suffering, and aspirations. A writer's primary task is to tell the truth as he says it. This is a truth others fear to confront. It is rarely comfortable, but has been an instrument to challenge injustice, question power, and amplify unheard voices. When Toni Morrison said, "If there is a book you want to read, but has not been written yet, then you must write it." It is a call to social responsibility, a call to create stories that culture needs in order to grow. Closer home, we see this beautiful fusion from Mahasata Devi to Arundhati Roy. And at our home, that is Odisha, Jayant Mahapatra showed how artistic subtlety can express deep social truth. Poetry is not propaganda. It is the quiet, I am quoting him, it is the quiet voice that reveals what lies beneath our silence. Gopinath Mohanty depicted the oppressed through powerful characterization and lyrical prose. Fakir Mohan Senapati, his biting satire, were crafted narrative of precision and irony. He said, "Society is the greatest text. The writer merely depicts it." So all of them showed the highest form of literary commitment lies in the balance. In this 10th edition, on this 10th anniversary of OALF, my wish is to see 100 flowers blooming, showing this balance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for those enlightening words. And now I would like to invite Sri Pradosh Chandra Mohanty, sir, to kindly speak a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, Manu, for having called me, invited me. I am really very greatly thrilled to see our teacher this morning. He was not keeping well for quite some time and had missed many of his appointments in the recent past. So it is a great joy to see him and welcome him. Thank you, sir. And to see three of his students, he also must be getting thrilled. We are all his students in 70s in Avanza. And such a long journey, 50 years plus has passed in the meantime. It's a very enjoyable and a romantic experience, I should say. I congratulate Satyavai Satyamanti for his third book, which will be inaugurated just now. And I hope you will all enjoy and have a pleasant morning and afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Sri Shyam Prasad Chaudhary, sir, to kindly speak a few words.
सारंग को प्रणाम सौभाग्य सारंग को समस्तों को नमस्कार जहाँ मु भाभी नथिली ता होची भाभी नथिली जे मु एठिके आसीबी प्रथम कथा एवं एठी मंच उपर को आसीबी मोर कोनोसी सेमती योग्यता नाही मनु दास फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज करंती मिछ भी ऑर्गेनाइज करंती तबे सारंग को आज फेलिसिटेट करा जाउची बहुत भल लगेला बहुत दिन अंतर रे मु सारंग को भेटे केतेबेले केमती प्रदोष विभिन्न अनुष्ठान कला बेले और नहले 77 मसीहारे मु सारंग को प्रथम भेटी थी कटक कटक होटेल रे किंतु मु कहवा को चाहूँगी से कथाटा ये जे ता गोटे गप भली मन ही पारे किंतु मु मिछ कहू नाही मोर जड़े बंधु केरल रु आसथिले एवं मोर काम थिला सारंक संगे तांको इंट्रोड्यूस करिया पई कारण सारंकर मो स्टूडेंट थिली रेवेन्सा रे आमे दी जण तांका ना हला के रविंद्रन से जी अरविंदन कर फिल्म सहित संपर्क थे बट ही इज अ मैन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स बट एनीवे तांको मु सारंग को नहीं कि जीवा कथा थिला के रविंद्रन पाखकू जी कटक होटेल रोला किंतु मु आउ जड़े मोर सांग आमे दी जण सेठी गला बेलको जो रूम रे के रविंद्रन रोला से रूम बंद थिला के रविंद्रन नथिला तेणु मते बहुत लाज लगे जे सार को सारा आसिले मु केमती ताको चिन्हैबी देखैबी कहबी जे जड़े बड़ कवि जहाँ को मु जानी हठात आमे सेठी चा पीलु जदि कई कटक होटेल कॉलेज छक पाखरे जो कटक होटेल रे के जाने थे सेठी सेतबेले विपिन थिला जे परवर्ती काल रे कटक स्वीट स्टॉल रे भी काम कला से सेठी आमे बसिक चा मगैलु कारण मद पीवा ना आमको जना थिला ना आमे से अनुमति थिला तेणु चा पीवा भितर हठात बाघ शिकार एक कविता आवृत हला ताको आवृत्ति करुथले जो जो लोकटी से लोकटी भॉइस मोर चिन्हा चिन्हा लगेला एवं ताहा आसुतला से के रविंद्रन रही रूम रु जा बाहर ताला थेला विपिन को मात्र टंकाटे देवा परे से चाबी खोलिला एवं ता भितरे के रविंद्रन संगे जो कवि बाघ शिकार कविता को आवृत्ति करते सी थे सौभाग्य मिश्र सारंकर मन थी कि नहीं के जानी किंतु तापरे आमे बहुत बहुत आमे घनिष्ठ भाव प्रदोष रसूल देवप्रिय आमे सेंट्रल हॉस्टल रे सारंग संगे बहुत समय काटिचु सारंकर बहुत कविता पत्रिकार प्रकाश हवा पूर्व आम शुणीचु सार आमको वेस्टलैंड 4 क्वार्टेट्स पढ़ाऊले किंतु से ही कही जे जे अल्फ्रेड प्रूफक न पढ़ले तो ये कविता पढ़बुनि वेस्टलैंड न पढ़ले कविता पढ़बुनि से हेले सौभाग्य सार मोर आ गोटे छोट घटना मन पड़ुची सौभाग्य सारंग संगे ता होची जे कौन कारण मुझे रेवेन्सा कॉलेज रे चित्र आंकुली वॉल मैगजीन रे सार मते थरे कही जे तू मोर अंध महुमाछी चित्र करिवो कवर करिवो मु करथिली किंतु ताहा छपाई नथला कारण सार प्रफुल्ल महांती कवर डिजाइन रे प्रेम रे पड़ले सार मते कहले जे श्यामा मु तो एटा दे पारनी कारण प्रफुल्ल महांती मते बाध्य करछन्ते सेटा प्रकाश करिया पाई एटा मोर अभियोग नुहे मत लगे जे सार सेतिकी मो मते भल पाउथले बोली मते चित्र आंकिबा को कहिथिले एवं सेतिकी भल पाउथले बोली बोधे मते कहले जे ना मु तो चित्र नौनी मु ताको भाबे नहीं जे सार मो चित्र को पसंद कले नहीं बोली किंतु सार प्रफुल्ल महांती चित्र को पसंद कले मु प्रफुल्ल महांती को ईर्षा करिवार लागिली एवं सौभाग्य सार को आहरी भल पाइले मु एठिकी आसी नहीं आसी केवल शुणा सार को शुणा सार फेलिसिटेड होती निजको गर्वित मन करने एवं मोर आउ तीनटा बही उन्मोचित होगा कथा देखापी गोटे सत्य सारंकर हार्वेस्टिंग गॉड्स परेश मोर बहुत अंतरंग सांग भल बहुत चमत्कार गप लेखे सी करिछि अनुवाद बानु उस्तांकर हार्ट लैम्प को ओडिया को से बहीटा मध्य मो उन्मोचित आज हम से बही को से बही उन्मोचन विषय मु देखा आसती एवं आहरी अन्य बोधे 7टा बही उन्मोचित हवा कथा मते मनु दास कहते तेबे मु खाली गोटे कथा मन पकई दूची सौभाग्य सार एते सांगे मिसी जे मत लगे जे कविता किछि करू ना न करू 3टा कथा निश्चित करे 3 जन लोकंकर आयुष बढ़ाई दिए कविता 3 जन लोकंकर आयुष बढ़ाई दिए 3टा कथार आयुष बढ़ाई दिए गोटे हूँ कविर गोटे हूँ कवितार एवं अन्यटे हूँ कविता शुणुवा पढ़ुवा लोकर तेणु सार को कविता पढ़ले आप निश्चित भाविबे जे मु केवल सत ही कही। नमस्कार।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Now we move ahead. We have a string of book launches today, and we will begin with the famous book which has been translated into Uriya by Gitanjali Sri's famous book Rait Samadhi, translated by Dr. Padmaja Misra. And the first book we are going to launch here today is Baluka Samadhi. If Dr. Padmaja ma'am is amongst us, I would like her to join us for the launch.
Due to certain unavoidable circumstances, Dr. Padmaja Misra could not came, but she had to leave for certain urgent work. And here her mother is there. She will be here to be the part of that inauguration.
We all have heard about this book, the winner of the Booker International Prize in 2022. And now it's for us. ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପାଠକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବାଲୁକା ସମାଧି ଭେଟି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଡକ୍ଟର ପଦ୍ମଜା ମିଶ୍ର. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Dr. Padmaja Misra. ये बहिर अनुवाद पाई 4 जन अनुवादक ये बही नकरी फेरे देवा परे मु हतोत्साह होइथिली. सेतबेलू मोर ओडिया राइट किणी सारा परे प्राय 6 मास परे मु जाउथिली जगन्नाथ पाखकू. रास्ता रे डॉक्टर पद्मजा मिश्र पति आ मोर जड़े अति घनिष्ठ बंधु विभू प्रसाद त्रिपाठी जे जड़े बहुत यंग एंड एमर्जिंग एडवोकेट हिसाब से ओडिशा समस्त को जानती. मु कहली ये मोर अवस्था होती मु जगन्नाथ डाकुची केमी मत टे साहाय्य करंतु कहना बुकर प्राइज पाइथिबा बुकर इंटरनेशनल प्राइज पाइथिबा एटा होची प्रथम बही भारतर एवं ओडिया रे प्रथम थर पे अनुवाद होईची. से हठात तांको मिसेस को विषय कहले मु कहली सी तो डाक्तराणी से कौन ओडिया रे करिवे. तापरे मु देखिली जे से बहीटी तांको दिया गला एवं मु अपेक्षा करुली कौ दिन से मना करदेवे. मु तो समय होनी मु बहुत बिजी देखूँ आज बही बाहर से रही पार ना बहुत व्यस्त लोक मु करें एवं मुझे प्राय अभ्यस्त हो सारी ना शुणवे. किंतु आश्चर्यर घटना मुझे परीक्षा करने मुझे कहली आप मझे मझे गोटे गोटे इनस्टॉलमेंट मत पठाऊ था 10 पृष्ठा 15 पृष्ठा आ रेगुलाली मत पठाऊे. यू विल बी एस्टोनिश्ड टू नो ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଏତେ ଦୃଢ଼ତା ଜଣେ ଲେଖିକା ହିସାବରେ ଅନୁବାଦିକା ହିସାବରେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ବିରଳ। ରେକର୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ସେ ଅନୁବାଦ କରିକି ଦେଲେ। ତାପରେ ବହିଟି ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଉନ୍ମୋଚିତ ହେବାର ଥିଲା, ଗୀତାଞ୍ଜଳିଙ୍କର ଆସିବାର ଥିଲା। ବୋଧେ ଗୀତାଞ୍ଜଳି ଆଜି ପ୍ୟାରିସରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ତେଣୁ ସେ ଆସିପାରିଲେନି। ତା ଭିତରେ ଆମର ଯିଏ କରେ ଟାଇପ୍ ସେଟର, ତାର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା, 9 ମାସ ଧରି ସେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ରହିଲା, ବହି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ବହି ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଆମେ କରିଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଲାଗୁଛି। ଆଉ ପଛପଟେ ଗୋଟେ କାରଣ ଅଛି ଏ ବହିଟିକୁ ଅନୁବାଦ କରିବା। କେବଳ ଯେ ବୁକର ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ପାଇଛି ବୋଲି ସେ କଥା ନୁହେଁ। 2013 ମସିହାରେ ଗୀତାଞ୍ଜଳିକୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଦୋଷ ଭାଇ ଡାକିଥିଲେ, ମାନେ ଲିଟରେଚର ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲରେ, ଟାଇମ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲିଟରେଚର ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ହେଉଥିଲା। ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ରହୁଥିଲି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆସିକି ଗୀତାଞ୍ଜଳିକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କରିଥିଲି। ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ରେକର୍ଡ଼ିଂ ବି ଅଛି। ସେ ସେଇଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହୋଟେଲ ନ୍ୟୁ ମ୍ୟାରିଅନ୍ରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କରିଥିଲି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଥିଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ, ସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ଘଟଣା। ଗୀତାଞ୍ଜଳି ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ବନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କ ସହିତ ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ପାକିସ୍ତାନରେ ବୁଲିଲାବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଏମ୍ବାସିକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଜାଗାର ତାଲିକା ଦେଲେ, କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏ ଜାଗା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରୋହିବିଟେଡ଼ ଏରିଆ, ଆପଣମାନେ ଏ ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବେନି। ଏମାନେ ହଁ ହାଁ କହିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖକ ଲୋକ ତ ପରବାହ ନଥାଏ କାହା କଥା ଉପରେ। ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋହିବିଟେଡ଼ ଏରିଆ ଭିତରକୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ଏବଂ ଦେ ଅଲ୍ ୱେଆର୍ ଆରେଷ୍ଟେଡ଼ ଇମିଡ଼ିଏଟଲି ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜେଲ୍ରେ ରଖାଗଲା 4 ଦିନ। ଡିପ୍ଲୋମାଟିକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ୍ ପରେ 4-5 ଦିନ ପରେ ସେମାନେ ଜେଲ୍ରୁ ମୁକୁଳିକି ଆସିଲେ। ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଘଟଣାଟି ଥିଲା, ସେଇ ଘଟଣାକୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ 13 ବର୍ଷ, ମାନେ 2013 ପରେ ପ୍ରାୟ 10 ବର୍ଷ ଧରିକି ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରିକି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଉପନ୍ୟାସ ସେ କଲେ। ସେ କଥା ମୋତେ କହିଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି ଯେ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଦେଇଥିଲ ଏବଂ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ରେକର୍ଡ଼ କରିଥିଲି ଏବଂ ସେଇଟା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି। ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଅନଅଥରାଇଜ୍ଡ ଯେଉଁ ଇଏରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ସେଇଗୁଟାକ ନେଇ ଗୋଟେ ବୃଦ୍ଧା ମହିଳାଙ୍କର ଅନଅଥରାଇଜ୍ଡ ଯିବାର ଯେଉଁ ଘଟଣାଟି, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସେ ତାର ମଞ୍ଜି, ଏ ଉପନ୍ୟାସଟା। ଯାହା ହଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ଆର ସାକ୍ଷୀ ରହିଲେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅନେକ ଅନେକ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଏବଂ ଧଉଳି ବୁକ୍ସ ପ୍ରଥମ ବହି କରିଥିବାରୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ଆମେ ଆହୁରି ଭଲ ଭଲ ବହି କରିବୁ। ନମସ୍କାର।
Moving on, we have the next book for us, and again, the very famous book, Heart Lamp by Banu Mushtaq, which has been translated into Odia by Paresh Kumar Patnaik sir. And now we will be launching the book, Hrudaya Pradeepa, translated by, and we all know, yes, my bad sir, I'm not mentioning the publisher, but do we need to mention the publisher? We all know the only publication house in Odisha who can bring to us such gems of literature is none other but Dhauli Books. So a huge round of applause for Dhauli Books and Manu Das sir. It's again a pleasure for us Odia readers. आमर सौभाग्य जे आमको एते भल भल बही ओडिया रे पढ़िबा को सुजोग मिलुछि. Now I would like to invite Sri Paresh Patnaik sir to speak a few words.
धन्यवाद मनु एवं खुशीर कथा जे हृदय प्रदीप मु अनुवाद करिथिबा प्रथम पुस्तक बा प्रथम गल्प संकलन से मु आनंद प्रकाश करुच्ची एवं मते ए दायित्व देइथिबारु मनु बाबू को मध्य धन्यवाद दउची एवं ए पुस्तक मध्य प्रकाशक धौली बुक्स एवं मनु बाबू धौली बुक्स उभय धन्यवादार्ह एवं एठारे मंचरे उपस्थित अतिथि मानकु मध्य मु मोर कृतज्ञता जनाऊँचे जे सेमानंक हस्तरे ए पुस्तक उन्मोचित हैला. धन्यवाद.
निश्चय वर्तमान मैं आग्रह करी मनुदास सर को प्रकाशक भाव में दीपद कहवाई.
एक्चुअली बानु मुस्ताकर बही छापिचंती पेंगुइन रैंडम हाउस इंडिया एवं जी ताको सिलेक्ट करिचंती एवं ताको छापिचंती तार अनुवाद से आज आम पाखे उपस्थित अच्छी. मैडम मौतुसी मुखर्जी, सी इज द ट्रांसलेटर हेड ऑफ पेंगुइन इंडिया. ମୁଁ ତେଣୁ ଭାବିବି କହିବି ଯେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ କରତାଳି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାହାଙ୍କ ଯୋଗୁଁ ये ବହି ବୁକର ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଇଲା। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ओडिया एटलिस्ट ओके थैंक यू तापरे ये बही मु जेतेबेले किनिली सेतेबेले दुई प्रकार लोक मु पढ़ुथिली दुई प्रकार लोक को देखिली ये बही उपरे आलोचना करने को किछि लोक बहुत भल कहउचंती एवं किछि लोक बहुत खराब कहउचंती किंतु मु भल लोक सांगरे गली एवं अधिकांश लोक मते कहिचंती ये बहीटार अच्छी कौन प्रकृति में जहाँ अच्छी कना आपण को गोटे हीरा ये जो खोजा को हेले माने मुक्ता खोजा को हेले समुद्र भितर टिके डुब मारिया को पड़ो आपण ऊपर तो पहरिक जदि कहे जे मु मुक्ता पाइबा पाऊनी ताले सेटा गोटे प्रकार प्रोब्लेम हम। बानू मुस्ताक होचंती से बंडाया ग्रुप द्वारा प्रभावित इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग एंड मुसलमान समाज रे घटुथिबा सामाजिक परिस्थिति को नहीं से बहीटी लिखिंट एवं ये बहीर गोटे मुख्य कारण हूँ केवल अनुवाद कथा को आसुना ये बहीर मुख्य कारण हूँ जे मुसलमान परिवार रो जो भीतर कथा एवं आदौ विदाउट बीइंग पॉलिटिकल एतिरे आपण कोनोसी हिंदू मुसलमान संघर्ष देखा पाइबेनी जहाँ घटुची मुसलमान समाज रे एवं ये पुरस्कार बुकर प्राइज रो जूरी माने देला बेले से कहले जे आमे एते गुडे कथा जानि नथुलु जहाँ घटुथिला ये प्रकार सोसाइटी हुए बोले आमे जानि नथुलु केवल सी नुहंती आमे जो माने मुसलमान संप्रदाय नुह मध्य से माने आमे जानिनु आपण जदि मुसलमान संप्रदाय घटुथिबा सामाजिक विवर्तन परिवर्तन एवं कुसंस्कार को देखिए आश्चर्य होइजिबे ये बही कौन सी जगह भायोलेंस नहीं कौन सी प्रकार एते सरल अच्छी आम भितर गोटे पूरा धारणा अच्छी जे गप कहले गोटे चमत्कारिता होता दरकार गोटे फुलझरी बाण भाया हठात देखब से भली हवा दरकार गोटे अति सुंदर भाव सरल भाव बहुत पावरफुल स्टोरी कह जाई परिबो एटा बानू मुस्ताक गल्प देखाए अनफॉर्चुनेटली सी जी टुडे बानू एंड भास्ती दीपा दी जन जाक बांगालोर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल रे बांगालोर रे अच्छंती आउ आमर डेट पड़जा फल से मैंने आसी पार्लेनी बानू इज ए गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एवं सी बुकर जितेबले सर्टलिस्टेड होता मुझे जिते बधाई जन एवं मु भी निजे भावी नी जे बानू ये बहीर माने पुरस्कार पाइबे बोली धन्यवाद मत शुणी
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। The next book we have is Museum of Time by Amir Orr. Now I would like to invite Mr. Amir Orr to speak a few words about the book.
So it's a great honor for me to be here with this book published by Dowley Books, by Manu Das. And this book was actually written in Scotland bilingually, in Hebrew, which is my mother tongue, and in English. The Hebrew was published in Israel, and the English is published by Manu. And in fact, this is not the first book Manu publishes. He earlier published a selection of my poetry titled Loot. And I believe it's still available here. So if you are interested, you are welcome. And I will later on promise to read to you some poems from the book.
Thank you. The next book we have is by Sri Satya Mahanti sir, and the book is Harvesting God, again published by Thole Books. It's a Speaking Tiger. No, I don't have, sir. My bad. My sincere apologies for that. Now we are launching the book, Harvesting God by Sri Satya Mahanti sir. Now I'd like to invite Sri Satya Mahanti sir to speak a few words about the book.
My answer for this book will be what Arundhati Roy said when she wrote God of Small Things. She said that since I am not a writer clearly, but I am citizen first, so I'll have to write about what I see. Okay, so this book has got two streams really. One is a clearly political arc, and the second one is a metaphysical arc. One poem, longest poem, is called The Desire, the Quintet, and that is a slightly metaphysical in tenor, and I've used the point counterpoint movement of music to go through that. And many of the poems are also political, have got a very strong political tone. And since I'm a citizen, I had to write it. And how I wrote it is that it all started during the COVID time, because I thought I may not cross COVID spell, I may not be alive. So the 70-80% of the poems got finished then, and later on I added a few more poems, and here it is. And for a book of poems to find its home, its uncharted territory. Manu did a lot of work for this, crafting the cover page, etc., etc. But finally it reached the Speaking Tiger. Okay. And in between also it has gone to some other places, but finally it found its home there. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next book we have is Asmita by Bhaskar Paricha sir. I would like to invite Sri Bhaskar Paricha sir to be with us on the dais. Now I would like to invite Sri Bhaskar Paricha sir to speak a few words about the book.
Books don't happen easily. The publisher and he stays just half a kilometer from where I live. But it took 5 years to get another book. He was the person who published my first book way back in 2020, No Strings Attached, Writing in Odisha. And this is almost on the same theme. This has some 30 essays, contemporary, historical, and also I was struggling with the title, Asmita. This is the publisher only gave me this name. He said, this is the buzzword now, so we will go with this. Thank you so much. Please buy a book and read it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. We move on. We have the last book to launch today, and that is the 4th edition of Anam. Anam 4 for all of you, edited by our very own Manu Das sir and M.K. Ajay sir. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to thank our guests for joining us for this amazing inaugural session.
उद्घाटनी उत्सव शेष होगा पूर्व मु फेस्टिवल डायरेक्टर मनु दास को अनुरोध करी जे आम युव कवि अग्निवेश को फेलिसिटेट करेंगे आम युव यंग एनर्जेटिक पोएट अग्निवेश को ଫେଲିସିଟେଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଏବଂ ଆମର ଅତିଥି ମାନେ। ହଁ, ଆମର ଅତିଥି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ଅଗ୍ନିବେଶଙ୍କୁ ଫେଲିସିଟେଟ୍ କରିବେ।
Thank you, everyone. With that, we conclude our inaugural session.